Pattaya walking street. It costs around 300 baht per day, and they have just shown something which is we can't even show it on camera. Look at here, they are just selling the crocodiles. What is not there here? One boat is showing Russian girl show, one boat is showing boys show. Hey guys, so after taking SIM card, we just went for a lunch. That lunch cost around 275, but we went to Indian restaurant only. We ate 3 rotis and 1 matar paneer. And after that, we went back to the hotel. We were so much tired, and for almost 2 hours we slept. Just now we woke up, and currently I'm going to take bike rent. I have called them. They said around it is 300 baht for one day. Let us see how much they take. What are the documents required to go to take the bike? They said the passport is required, but I have seen the reviews. They are saying the passport is not required in the shop. Let's just go there and clarify. Stay tuned. I will let you know and what are the procedure and all. So guys, we have taken the bike. It cost around 300 baht per day, and 2k is the deposit. Before explaining you everything, let me show you the shop. This is the shop where I took it. I will share the link in the description below, so follow that. Let me show you the bike now. This is the bike. It's 125cc automatic. It's like a normal scooty in India. So coming to the documentation, what they have asked is your passport. That is very important. Like they take the Xerox and give it back. In few of the rental shops, they are asking the passport to keep with them, and they will give it back to you after you give back the bike. But we have searched a shop where they will not take passport. They will take just a copy and they will give you back the passport. And the next is the deposit. Deposit is 2k, but which they will give you back again after you give back the bike. And the rent is 300 baht. I think I have talked to 2 more shops. They have said around 400 to 450 baht, which comparatively the price is good, so you can go for it. And they gave the documentation. I mean, after you pay everything, they give you a paper which will have the information that how much deposit you have paid, how much rent it is, when is the start time, when is the end time which you have to give the bike before. So we took the bike around 9:09, which we should give tomorrow at 7:09. So that's the total information about the taking the bike rent. So yeah, let's explore Pattaya on bike. After taking the bike, the first thing we came is the walking street. And we took the Thailand famous boba tea. How is it? She came here literally to drink this tea, smoothies,
Yes.
only for this kind of items only.
You will not get it anywhere in India.
The fruits are so much sweet.
Mango smoothie also we have taken in the morning. That was also very good.
The mango smoothie is just mango, nothing else. Nothing else, just mango, and they give it. The prices are very cheap. Even the
You want
boba tea
best
is,
tea? Just try this from Dunkin'.
and the prices are very cheap.
The place is there. I'll take you guys there also.
Yeah, and the prices are very cheap. It's around 125. You got one boba tea, but in India they take 250
Not
definitely
only that, they take boba also extra prices.
For the boba to add in your tea, they take extra money again in India.
But they call it boba tea.
We are just in front of the walking street. Let's go and explore the Pattaya nightlife. Are you excited?
We came for that.
Let's go. The famous Pattaya walking street. The traffic is huge, guys. We have parked the bike near the beach, and then we came here by walk. Just look at the vibe here. Oh my god.
Nothing is there. Ho Chi Minh.
The Ho Chi Minh is nothing in compared to here. Even before the walking street start itself, there are party going on outside. Let's go. Here we go. The coast walking street. Oh my god. Look at here. Look at left. Let's go explore the walking street more. the shows here. They have just shown something which is we can't even show it on camera. It's completely legal. I think it's completely legal here. It's open. It's like they're not hiding anything. Just simple terms, they're not just hiding anything. Huh? Yeah, even they're mentioning it's Russians. Showgirls. Exclusive nightclub European Showgirls, second floor. Let's go. We just came out from the walking street and now we see some food stalls here. Let us go inside what it is we will see. Look at here. They are just selling the crocodiles. It's like live. In front of the people they are just cutting the crocodiles and they are selling it. Let's go inside, we will see what it is there. Let's go inside. This is the entrance of that food street. We have fruits. I mean, in the starting of that we have some fruits, coconuts, popcorn. There are so many other options available here. It's not just like you will get typical Thai food. Let's check what are the options available and what we can eat here. Even there is some live music going on here. It's like some cafe. It's a beach area, by the way. The whole walking street is on the edge of the beach. Let us see the food options here. What are there? People are eating the noodles. What is this? This one is beef. These are oysters, shrimps, lobsters. Everything is available here. All the seafood is available here so much. What's this? Oyster. We came out of that place. We don't eat seafood and the place was smelling so much of seafood, so we just came out. If you like seafood, you can have a dinner there. You have so many varieties of options. We came back to the walking street. Let's go and explore there. I'm just wondering what is not there here. One board is showing Russian girl show, one board is showing boys show. The total middle of walking street is for that only. All those clubs are available here. ये देखो भाई. Let's go. Look at the vibe here. This club is good. This club is being good. They are doing just normal live music show. Let's go. We are just going out of the walking street. Guys, we came out of the walking street. We are sitting on the bike. The next destination is going to be the Pattaya beach. Coming to the experience of the walking street, it's pretty good. If you are a party person, you should definitely give a visit. Like everything is available. Even the food options are available. You have a party atmosphere clubs. You have the other party atmosphere clubs. Everything is available here. So if you are a party person, you should definitely visit the Pattaya walking street. Let's see you in the Pattaya beach now. Guys, on the way to the beach now, we got one night market, so we're just going inside. This one is that one, Pattaya Night Bazaar. It's looking similar to that Han market and Con market in the Vietnam. If you haven't seen, just follow our Vietnam series. Here you have all tops and all. Let's go inside, we will see what are there. Yes, so we went to the beach, but the beach vibe is not as good as the walking street vibe. So we thought of going back to the hotel. On the way we have seen a restaurant like Royal Indian Hut restaurant. Let me show you the menu. We have ordered chicken do piazza and 3 roti. And it costed, the roti is 25 baht and the chicken do piazza is 190. I will let you know how the taste is after eating. This is our Indian food in Thailand. They gave onion, they gave some green chutney, lemon. The quality looks fine. The quality is good. Let me eat the food and tell you the taste, how it tastes. We ate the food and just came out. The food is pretty good. Like if you want to eat the Indian food and you are roaming near the beach area, you can definitely consider this one. The name of the hotel is Royal Indian Hut. This one. I will attach the location link in the description below. We are going to the hotel. I think that's it from the day 1 of the Pattaya. See you guys the next day.